Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am super excited to talk about this awesome 10,000 mAh MagSafe compatible wired or wireless power bank from a company called Baseus. This is MagSafe compatible, so it's a power bank, so you can take it with you wherever you go, but you can charge your phone wirelessly, and it is MagSafe compatible. So it has a magnetic ring here in the center. You attach this to your phone. When you do that, you're going to see that MagSafe power logo on your iPhone because it is charging at the fastest rate, the 7.5 watts wireless charging that an iPhone can charge at wirelessly, which is awesome. In addition, you do have these two ports up on the top here. You've got a standard USB port, so you can charge any device wired through that. And then you have a PD up to 20 watts Type-C charging port here. So if you need a faster charge, you can plug your iPhone into the Type-C port to get that fast wired charging. But what's great is that you do have that magnetic wireless charging, and you can attach this to your phone, and you'll see when you attach this to your phone, it sticks, it stays, it's not going to come off. So you can use your phone while this is attached to it. It's designed to be about the same shape and size as an iPhone 13. I'm using it with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and because the way it's shaped, it fits with your phone. It fits in your palm, sort of like you have your phone in your hand. So it fits nicely, and it's easy to be able to use your phone while you're wirelessly charging, which is really, really great. You can also charge 3 devices at once. So you could be wireless charging a device, your iPhone with a MagSafe, or AirPods even. You can also charge them on the MagSafe charger. And then you can have 2 other devices plugged into the USB and Type-C ports and be charging them as well. 3 devices at once, up to 20 watts total output at one time. Now, this is a 2021 German Red Dot award-winning device because it's designed so amazing. Other than all those great features, it just has this really nice design. It's got this nice glossy display that kind of is set back a little bit, and that's because it allows for the camera bump on the iPhone series. It doesn't get in the way, so it's designed really great. But that's not just for show. This is a display that actually shows you exactly how much power you have left, as well as there are indicators for the quick charge charging, the wireless charging. But a lot of power banks just have like 4 LEDs to kind of sort of let you know how much power you have. Not with this guy. With this guy, you've got an exact number. You know exactly how much power you have left, or if you're charging it, you know how much longer you have to get it fully charged, which is great. You also have a power button here on the side, and you have this nice little LED indicator here on the top, which is easy to see. So really, really great. Now, when you're charging this device, you plug into that Type-C. If you're charging it from a PD charger or a quick charge charger, you will fast charge this device as well. So not only is it capable of fast charging your phone, but it can take a fast charge as well. Really, really an excellent, excellent device. The fact that it's 10,000 mAh, so you've got a lot of battery power to use when you're on the go. But the fact that you can attach it to your MagSafe compatible iPhone and it just sticks and stays, holds strong. You get that MagSafe powering logo, so you know you're getting fast wireless charging. But you're able to use your phone while this is on it if you want, which is great. But then you also have the Type-C PD 20 watt out, as well as the standard USB. And you can even potentially be charging 3 devices at once if you need to, all in a very nice, slim, and beautifully designed package from Baseus. If you're looking for a power bank for a MagSafe compatible iPhone, then this is definitely the one to get. You get the MagSafe wireless charging, you get the wired charging, you get 10,000 mAh, so you can use this for your phone as well as for other devices. Really, really excellent, excellent product by Baseus, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.